Welcome! Deleting your Patreon account is straightforward. Let's guide you through the quick process. First, log into your Patreon account. Access the settings via your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, find Account Settings. Scroll down until you see Delete Account. It's crucial to read the instructions carefully. Click Delete Account, then you will be prompted to confirm your decision. This is your final chance to reconsider. If you're sure, confirm by entering your password. Remember, this action cannot be undone. Congratulations! You successfully deleted your Patreon account. You can always join again if you change your mind. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online profiles. Feel free to visit our other videos for insights on social media management and digital privacy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and tips in the future. Remember, managing your online presence is essential. Take control, stay informed. Until next time, keep exploring and creating positive online experiences. Goodbye for now, and good luck on your digital journey.